can see the Arowana started eating aggressively, and the Arowana's got appetite. Oh, he's taking even from the bottom. See, I said that before. The maybe more than half of the one portion of the food is taken by the northern snakehead. Now the Arowana has become really aggressive in the responding to the food. Arowana now I will observe the growth rate between the Arowana and northern snakehead, and who's gonna grow up faster, bigger. I don't know. It depends on the individual, but it seems that the Arowana started feeling that he need to take in as much as food to be comparative in this little tank. See? Today I think maybe 2/3 of the portion of the food was taken by Arowana today. Yeah. Yeah. He's got appetite. Now they started feeling that the taste of the food